La Loca Kids! For kids!
Here we are, hip hooray, at the beach on a sunny day. Golden sand and ocean blue, happy family, me and you. Step by step into the sea, little waves are chasing me. Cool blue water, bright sunshine, beach adventures feel so fine.
What a
Spread the towels, 1, 2, 3, big umbrella by the sea. Everything is nice and bright, summer fun from morn till night. Catch the ball and throw it high, watch it dancing through the sky. Splashing water everywhere, happy laughter fills the air. Catch the ball and throw it high, watch it dancing through the sky. Float so gently, nice and slow, watch the little bubbles grow. Mom and Dad are standing near, helping
Come on, don't forget to try the
without a
shells.
fear. Build a castle big and tall, strong enough to never fall. Little towers, flags so bright, what a lovely happy sight.
Look at these treasures.
Pretty
Aren't they
seashells
beautiful?
on the
Let's see who
shore.
found the biggest
Let's
shell.
collect a whole lot more. Starfish sparkle in the sun. Beach exploring is such fun. Fly the kite so high above, floating like a little dove. Red and yellow, blue and green, prettiest kite we've ever seen. Tiny crabs go side to side, trying hard to run and hide. Watch them
What a
crawl
perfect
upon
beach
the
day!
sand. Nature's wonders are so grand. Fruit and sandwiches to eat. Every bite is such a treat. Juicy drinks and happy faces. Family love in sunny places. Run together, don't be slow. To the waves we happily go. Holding hands with happy smiles. Laughing all the while. Hand in hand we walk away. Thank you for this happy day. Beach adventures, memories sweet. Until again we all shall meet.
What a perfect day for family time.
Orange, pink, and purple skies, sunset shining in our eyes. Sitting close with hearts so bright, what a lovely summer night.
Hi friends! If you like this video, please subscribe to La Luca. Click the subscribe button and join us for more fun.